Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking Android version and gathering the apps you suspect show ads. Knowing the version helps locate settings. Once done, open settings and go straight to apps or notifications. This is where ad controls live. You should also launch your default browser to check its site settings later. Make sure to enable developer options only if comfortable, otherwise skip. Now tap Apps, because the next steps remove permission triggers and stop intrusive overlays at the source. You will now remove the common ad vectors, overlays, notification ads, and browser pop-ups. First, in App Special Access, disable Draw over other apps for any app that could show overlays. That prevents full-screen ad takeovers. Next, revoke notification access for apps you don't trust and inspect each app's notification channels. Then open the browser, clear site permissions and pop-up settings, and reset defaults where unknown apps are set as handlers. This cuts off many ad delivery paths. To finish, install a reputable ad blocker or private DNS app from the Play Store and configure it. This lowers network-level ad delivery. Then run Play Protect and uninstall apps with persistent ads. Many ad networks piggyback on free apps. Once cleanup is done, reboot. If ads still appear, boot into safe mode to isolate the offending app. If ads stop, uninstall the last installed or recently updated app. This one troubleshooting step usually pinpoints the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.